Guys, RB Life, DJ Darren here. Little electrical update for you. Okay, since last I have put in this board right here. I believe it's 3/4 inch, so 3/4 inch board, real thick, and so it has a nice new baseboard. And then there's the wood layer below that, but I need a nice new wood layer that can screw in stuff too, and electronics and whatnot, and build off of. So that's what we've got in there now. That's all screwed and glued, lots of wood glue, and then a bunch of screws, probably 20 screws. So went through everything, and that's all good. So we got that. This is positioned in there how it's going to be. I'm going to barely have another beam that's going to fit across here. I'll fit that, and I'm going to fit a vertical beam right here that's going to screw in here, and then there'll be a fan filter unit here. One thing though that's changed is when I was doing my last layout, I forgot that this is the airflow comes in through here, so I had this switched around, and the problem is right here is going to be my fan filter unit that's going to be pushing air this way, so the air would be blowing out of this and hitting that air, so it's no good. We want it to all be one direction. We want air blowing this way and then blowing into the inverter and out, and then it's going to blow out an area right here, and it's going to blow out that square right there. I'm going to have switches though. If I want the air to go out there, I put a switch, or right here, and depending on if it's too hot out, then I want it blowing out the RV. But if it's not, I don't mind if it's filtered. It's going to filter through here and then come out here right there. So airflow will be come in, filter, it'll filter the air, take all the heat out of the electronics, and take it out here, or the outside the RV, or both right there. So right now, so I have it switched around here, and I'm trying to reroute all my cables and whatnot in there to see if I can make it fit like it is like there. And so a little bit of dilemma, and so trying to figure that out today, and I think I got it, so I'll have to see. So I'm doing my layout right now, mock-up, what I call a mock-up, and seeing if I can make everything fit good and hook up right. So we'll see on that. And then also, since last I put in these nice breakers, I finally found the right breakers. These are awesome. I got some more coming, so I got a 20-20, 50-20, so I got another 50 coming, and another 2 20s, and I need a 30. So really I need, for this circuit, since I have a box here, that's my 30 amp. If you see that box right there, that'll be my 30 amp from camping supply, from outlets, wherever, at a camping place, whatever. So that's my 30 amp, but that'll come into a 30 amp switch. And then I have a 50 amp, which will be from my inverter, will be coming in. It'll come in raw and come into this as well. It'll be on its own 50 amp. And then I also have another box I'm gonna make that's a 50 amp. So I have a 30 amp and a 50 amp outlet to plug into from my RV, and then also power coming in from the inverter. So 3 different power sources coming in, and we need breakers that are appropriate rating for that. So 2 50s and a 30, we're doing that.